So the Nutcracker is was done by Tchaikovsky. That's Swan Lake, but it's still Tchaikovsky. So the Nutcracker is cool. I don't know if any of you have seen the Nutcracker. It's generally a ballet. It's kind of like the ballet version of a pantomime. So it's done for kids and stuff. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. And then you'll have coming up here, this is really cool by the way, all the ballerinas.
And the building you're standing under is called the Frankston Arts Centre, and when it was first opened had in big, proud, bold, huge black letters on the side of the building the word farts.
Oh really? Farts? That's, oh my god, that's grass. The building formerly known as Farts. Oh, that's hilarious. Only in Australia would that happen. Someone with a clipboard forgot to spell check.
Yeah. Well, it's all right because the thing that's called the Peninsula Aquatic and Recreation Centre, Park, is in Frankston and was originally called the Frankston Aquatic and Recreation Centre, Park.
Oh no.
Because people don't think.
Oh no, that's hilarious.
Well, they do, and they're like me and they think it's really funny and they do it anyway.
Well, there's probably part of that. Oh my god, that's gold. Okay, so I'm being told we have 22% battery left, so, which is pretty good. So we're going to keep going until it runs out of battery. And it'll probably be, the reason I say that by the way is Pug finds it's hilarious every time I say battery. Battery. So we're just going to stream until this runs out of battery, and I think we're going to say this is a very successful test and I go out and buy one of these. Oh yeah. It's very impressive.
Do you notice the miscellaneous butter? No, I can't explain that either.
Please like, comment and subscribe.